So then we get to color, and this is my ring of color. And so we get to go through, and sometimes I sit down with folks and they know exactly what they're looking for, and they've got the picture, and then it's just matching with what we have here. Sometimes I sit down with folks and they have no clue what they're looking for. And so we get to go through these options and talk about, well, do you want more of a gray shower? Do you want more light? Do you want it darker? Do you want it brown? And so there's so many options to choose from. And so it's just a lot of fun to sit with folks and build their dream shower and to build their dream bathroom. And again, sometimes folks know exactly what they want. And so we're just matching and picking colors, and it goes very quickly. Other times folks have no idea. And so I get to come in and just help think through and talk through different options that they never knew existed.